Oh boy. What? Oh my god. It's literally on the ground. You can't, bro. That's absolutely insane. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be installing coilovers onto the Honda. Should have done this so long ago, but I just never had the time or money to do it. But yeah, I'm super excited to install these. This car really needs it really bad. Ever since I got the car, the suspension is literally like this. It's like a drag setup. You know how the drag races, they have the meaty tires in the back, and then they have the small tires in the front. That's literally how this car stands out, and it's ridiculous. It's time to switch it up, you know, finally get that even height. This is my first time doing anything like this, like installing coilovers onto any car, and I'm super excited to see how they turn out. Let me show you guys real quick what they look like. So I got the function informed coilovers. I got 12K for the fronts and 6K for the rears. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for me, please. A lot more things is coming for this car, so I just want you guys to stay tuned. Anyways, let's go ahead and head over to the bro's house, and I'll meet you guys there. So I'm gonna back up the car, and I'll park it. People like literally, they literally like check finger with fingers. You gotta check my with like feet, bro. Like it's ridiculous. It's gonna be hard pulling out that driveway. All right, so we finally got the car on the wheel block. So we're gonna jack it up, take the wheels off, and then get started with the fronts. Do the rears for last. All right, so the plan is I'm gonna tackle this side. Bro over here does this side. Make the process go by a lot quicker. Hopefully the first doesn't take as long. Come out. Oh, trusty. You got all of them? To compare the two, literally, it's crazy. Trash. But yeah, we're about to get these installed. I can't wait to see how it looks. But thank God I got my fenders rolled too, because I don't know how it's gonna feel without these not rolled. He pulled it pretty far too. Yeah. So hopefully everything fits really well. Oh, you moving me, bro. My bad. You moving me, bro. Pick up the whole. She on there, boys. She on there. Oh, passenger side is in. All good to go. Having troubles over here though. Guessing the bolt isn't going the other way, so. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks.
Fix that thread just because that piece is off by like just a little bit.
It's not catching all the way. See, of course, when we're almost finished, the last bolt we need doesn't want to go all the way in. This side went in fine, but hopefully we can maybe take this stuff off, bolt it in. I don't know, we'll see. All right, as you guys can see, we had to pull up to the junkyard to get another bolt because the other one is not fitting all the way. So we're out here trying to hunt for one. Oh, I see one. That blue one? Is the wheel off? I'll update you guys when we find one. I think I found one that doesn't have the wheel. Yes, does it have the bolt though? Yes, it does. Yo! I got one! Yo! Marco? Oh, damn. That rings the bell though. It's right here. Marco?
Wait, it's over here?
Yeah. Yeah, it's on this side, yeah. It has the bolt there too.
She gave me a little, and that's all I needed. It don't ever look like it's already been off. I swear that bolt looks fresh.
Yeah, it looks like, yeah. There we go. Hey, dog. Is it a Terps?
Electric turbo.
Oh, no.
That scoop is
dude. That's crazy. Whoever car that is, man, you're really creative. Made it back. Already switched it out, so we're about to mount the wheels on and see how the fitment looks. Hopefully it's not too crazy.
This one? You said lay the rim on the face?
Ooh! Ooh! Oh, wait till it sits down, then it's gonna be better.
Nice and slow. Oh! Mine went slow. I don't know about you.
Come on, now you said slow.
It went slow, bro.
Oh God, that's crazy.
You're scraping on nothing.
Oh boy, bro. What?
Yo, you're camera, bro.
There's no way I'm pulling out. Oh my God, it's literally on the ground. You can't, bro. Yeah, we're definitely about to raise this out for sure.
You can barely spin a screwdriver over there.
What's up? That's crazy.
A flathead. On the rubber,
Oh
bro.
God.
You're on rubber. That's it. That's all you got. 16-point turn.
That's ridiculous. 60-point turn. I mean, hey, look at that. That's absolutely insane. Oh my God. I don't even have camera bolts or anything, and literally it's like, that's crazy. I gotta get in alignment, bro. We fixed the height, and I can actually turn my wheel. I have a good amount of clearance. That's a good finger in there. That's a good finger in there. See, we chilling, baby. Hey, that looks good. Oh, that looks so good. Yeah, all right, that's perfect, yeah.
Like, as soon as they dropped off that thing, I was like, oh no, that's good, bro. For sure.
Got the rear ones out after like 30 minutes of struggling, but God, look at the that's crazy. Yeah, okay. When I was taking to the back seat, I literally just ripped it out. God. It is what it is. Let me know when you're ready. 1, 2, 3.
Why did it shift like that? Ooh! Why did it shift? Dude, this fitment, bro! Oh my God. That is clean. Oh!
Finally got the car on the ground. I've never seen the car like this before. Like, I'm used to it like being so like, had that big gap. God, it looks so good. Slam boys. Appreciate you, my brother. God, that's crazy. That was definitely worth it though.
Yeah, we gotta do it to mine anyway, so might as well help you with yours.
Yeah, that's fire. Ouch. You good? Go. I rubbed so much. Oh God, was it messed
Right
up?
here,
Oh. Did I probably trim that off? Maybe.
Something.
Trim it off. You want to drive it? All right, let's go. I probably need to raise the rears up a little bit more just because it's rubbing it a little bit on the back. Let's see.
Nah, bro, it's good. This
It went away?
Yeah, it's completely drivable. The only thing about it is that the back right rubs.
I think tomorrow I'm gonna take off the bumper and try to like trim it off a little bit as much as I can. And after that, I think I should be. But if I hit a bump,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Right there, when I came off the street, you see how it's paved right there?
Yeah.
It's not paved right here. When I came off the street, it was like,
oh,
rubbed just
no.
a little bit, bro. Static boys, it is what it is.
Static boys.
Can't buy airbags, bro.
Looks so good.
Yeah, drives good too, bro. This thing's completely drivable, bro. You can drive like this.
It's crazy. I just got home. Car ride's great. I mean, there's a little rubbing on the passenger side rear. I'm gonna have to take off the bumper tomorrow and trim it off. Other than that, these coilovers are great. They feel great. Suspension feels a lot more tighter. Function for them. Shout out to you. But if you guys did enjoy, make sure you slap the like button for me, please. Subscribe to the channel, keep up with the build. Have some more things coming. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.